Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ711 here. Well, I've had this engine air cleaner floating around here that I'm just getting around to replacing because there's no dust in Arizona. Can you say haboob? But before I can do this, I need to remove this engine cover right here, commonly called the doghouse. According to the owner's manual, there's about 4 screws and a couple latches that it will take to remove it. If you take the ashtray out, push down on this lever right here and then lift it out, you'll find that the bottom bolt is situated sort of at an angle right up in here, and with a 10mm socket you can unloosen that. I have no idea how to get to the other side right now. Actually, the other side is pretty easy once you discover that they're at an angle. Be about there, I would think. Okay, and this is what they look like. So now I got to find the top ones. Top one on this side seems to be missing already. There's a little clamp right there. Push-in clamp. Now let's check the other side. Okay, with both bolts missing on the top, this just pulls right on out. It's hung up a little bit on the bottom over there. And I'll need to disconnect this. Okay. It was just hung up on this little metal piece there. So that part's done. Set that in the back, and then we'll proceed with removing the heater portion here. I called this the heater. It's not. This is the vent portion, and I believe it just pulls loose as well, but I'm going to find out in a minute. Yeah. Wow. Something about that don't seem right, but there it is. It's just shoved up under there, and somehow that's supposed to make contact. I have a sneaking suspicion that that was not put in there properly when they reinstalled it, and they just shoved it in there, which means that the blower to the bottom was not going to be working. Okay, I'll have to fix that. Now, from what I've read, what's a bit confusing is there's supposed to be a bracket from here to here, and it's already gone. So I'm looking for something that isn't there. It's quite confusing. As far as I know, the next plan of attack is that bolt right there, the silver one, and that just unscrews with a screwdriver. And I believe I'm left with the latch there and another latch over there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that bolt and see what happens. Okay, that bolt just unscrews. It does not come out. And I believe that is normal. So I'm going to undo these latches here and see what happens. Oh, there's one. And there's 2. That bolt stays. Is there another one over here, I wonder? It acts like there's another one over there. Yeah, okay, I gotta go find another bolt. Okay, as you can see, there was another bolt on this side, and they just unscrew and they stay with the vehicle. So, I mean with the doghouse. I believe the doghouse is able to be removed now, so I'm going to go ahead and fight it and see if I can get it out. Here's a picture of the doghouse. I'm going to have to go get some tack spray and put this back on. Both sides, they were loose. Looks like we had some mice up here, but for the most part, I would say it's pretty much intact. Here's a view of the bolt screw type things. Okay. I think I'll put this on first. Wing nut on top of the cleaner. And there's your wing nut. Okay, there's a hose in the front and the hood. Go get to that. You know, I think they intended you to leave that on there and then not take the whole air cleaner out. I kind of wanted to dust it out, but look at how bad this thing is. And wow. It almost feels like it's a cleanable one, but you know, boy, it is so clogged up. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what the new one looks like. That's one of the worst air cleaners I've seen in a while. Yeah, this one will fit. This was a quality air cleaner. I am not so sure. I'm going to check it out and see what it is. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a K&N, that's why it's designed to be cleaned. Okay, and lightly oiled. So that's what I'll do. I will save this one and clean it and reuse it. All right, there. Down there. Yeah, the width is fine too. Okay. Yeah, she was dirty, all right. I'll be able to breathe a lot easier in the desert soon. I am going to go clean the lid, the cover off, though that's a mess. I think this thing went through a few washes. Just like that. Now I just got to find the wing nut. Ah, there it is. Okay, good and solid. All right, that's that. From here on in, I'm just going to put it back together the way I took it apart. Maybe I'll find a way to hold these wires up out of the way. It would be very nice. So this is Steve AZ711 saying thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I guess in the next video, when I work on this, I might be pulling a spark plug, changing the cap rotor and maybe the plugs. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. It is running fairly well, and I think with this new air cleaner, it's going to run much better. And so until then, this is Steve AZ711 saying, hope your doghouse cover removals go real well, and bye for now. You know, I'm going to have to start this because anytime you do anything like this under there, you want to make sure it's going to start before you put it all back together.